Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how to activate Windows 10. I have Windows 11, but in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate both Windows 10 or 11 because both method is same. So in my window you guys can see my window has been already activated. If your window is not activated, then how you guys can activate this? So you just have to go to search bar of your Windows. So here you have to search for activation settings. So here is the first option. You just have to tap on it. After tapping on that, Windows will redirect you to activation settings. So here what you have to do is you guys have to, here you guys can see my Windows has been already activated, but you guys have to activate it by tapping the product key. So you guys have to tap on the product key option, but I have already put it. You guys have to tap on change, and here you have to put the product key here, and you tap on next, and your window will be activated. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.